Hey guys, it's Lucky Spammer, and I have a build that I'm planning on pushing out today that includes two things. The first is that it's going to try to help spread out some of the natural load that's pushing everybody towards Pi. You can see right now it's 8:30 in the morning. We got 51 people. In Pi, we got 7 in Cord. And of course, Centra has a hard time getting any load in the evenings because people get off work on the East Coast first. They start playing on Pi, and they never sort of migrate to Centra. Even as the West Coasters start getting off work, they start playing on Pi because they see that Centra has zero. Just kind of a vicious cycle there. So what we're going to do is we're going to suggest your next best server in the joiner. And the joiner takes a little longer than it used to, and I'll explain why in a second, but I'll show you that when we click play now here, you'll see that it's saying you're looking for a game here or switch server, and it's showing me Pi. It's showing me Pi has 43 people in it in the ping. So I could make a decision right now to click this and switch to Pi server. So as I'm playing on where I would usually want to be playing on Centra and I'm playing on Pi, I'll see that Centra is starting to get populated. And I also know that if I switch over to Centra, people will see that there's players there. So naturally people will sort of shift there. Same with Cord. If the Cord people are playing on Pi, they'll start seeing that Cord starts getting more populated. The reason the joiner takes a little longer now is because the way it used to work is when a game ended, it would wait a certain amount of seconds, then it would preemptively spawn a game so that it could spread out the players that were incoming more evenly. But people would back out of playing in the last few seconds, and you'd end up having one game too many, and it would spread out people too much. Now the joiner waits for a certain amount of seconds for a bunch of people to load, then it makes the decision on how many games to spawn based on that, so it hopefully results in fuller games more often. The next change is bombs are coming. I'll join a game here in the form of a demo level that I'm putting in. Wait a minute, I'm on Pi. Get back to my development environment. Bombs are coming, and we're going to add this demo level called Bomber Run, and you'll be able to kind of see it working, and I'm going to update the map stuff and the map testing server in the next few days to give our map designers access to this. This is the level Bomber Run. There's a lot of bombs.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, so you got a bomb right there by your flag that you could touch. A flag, somebody who grabbed your flag could use it to get out of dodge quickly. You also have this button to spread people. You have another bomb down here that you could use to knock a flag carrier back, or you could use it as an offensive move, like such. You also have this gauntlet right here, which is an interesting gauntlet. There we go. So I'm sure there'll be all sorts of action going on through there. So anyways, that is the bombing run level, and that'll be in the build that I push sometime today too. Thanks guys.